You could waste $50,000 on the wrong truck tomorrow. Thousands of first-time truck buyers make costly mistakes every year, choosing vehicles that are too big, too complex, or riddled with problems. But not you. I'll reveal exactly which trucks you should buy first and the ones you need to avoid at all costs. The perfect beginner truck exists, and it might surprise you which one it is. Let's count down the top 7 trucks for beginners, from the ones to approach with caution to the absolute best choices for first-time truck owners. Number 7. Ford F-150. Starting at number 7, we have the Ford F-150 in its base trims. At $36,000, the F-150XL or XLT provides massive capability without unnecessary luxury features. It tows up to 13,000 pounds and carries 2,300 pounds in its bed. That's enough to haul almost anything you'd reasonably need. But here's the reality check. The F-150 demands more skill to maneuver, costs more to fuel, and takes up significant garage space. For beginners, it's like buying a professional kitchen when you're just learning to cook. Only consider this truck if you regularly tow heavy equipment or large trailers. What keeps it on our list is its best-in-class safety features and the fact that, despite its size, Ford has made it more user-friendly than any other full-size truck. But be honest, do you really need this much truck? Number 6. Honda Ridgeline. At number 6, the Honda Ridgeline stands as the dark horse of the midsize segment. Priced higher at $41,600, it delivers something crucial for beginners: the most car-like driving experience of any truck on the market. Thanks to its unibody construction, unlike the body-on-frame design of traditional trucks, the Ridgeline handles more like an SUV. For beginners transitioning from cars or crossovers, this means virtually no learning curve. It tows a respectable 5,000 pounds and includes ingenious features like a lockable trunk under the bed floor and a tailgate that opens both down and sideways. The downside? It's the most expensive midsize option, and some truck purists might question its credentials. But for beginners who value comfort and ease of use, the Ridgeline deserves consideration. Number 5. Toyota Tacoma. Coming in at number 5, the Toyota Tacoma has earned its reputation as the reliability king. The 2025 model starts around $32,000 and comes with Toyota's legendary durability. It's the truck that mechanics recommend when they don't want to see you for repairs. The Tacoma offers up to 6,500 pounds of towing capacity and boasts impressive off-road capabilities, especially in its TRD trims. What truly sets it apart is its resale value. You could sell a Tacoma after 5 years and recoup more of your investment than with almost any other vehicle. The drawbacks? Its interior feels dated compared to competitors, and its on-road comfort lags behind newer designs. But for beginners who prioritize buy it and forget it reliability, the Tacoma remains a solid choice. Number 4. Chevrolet Colorado. At number 4, the Chevrolet Colorado at $31,500 was Motor Trend's Truck of the Year for good reason. It offers class-leading towing capacity of up to 7,700 pounds, enough for serious trailers and boats. What makes the Colorado particularly beginner-friendly is its intuitive control layout and user-friendly technology. You won't need an engineering degree to operate its features. The 2.7-liter turbo engine delivers an impressive 310 horsepower while still managing 20 miles per gallon combined. The Colorado strikes an excellent balance between work capability and everyday livability. Its 5-foot bed with the crew cab configuration provides enough space for most projects without being unwieldy. For beginners who need genuine truck capability without the intimidation factor, the Colorado delivers. If you're finding value in this countdown of the best beginner trucks, hit subscribe now for more no-nonsense automotive advice that cuts through the marketing hype and saves you money. Our subscribers consistently make smarter vehicle choices. Number 3, Ford Ranger. Breaking into our top 3 is the 2025 Ford Ranger, starting at $33,080. The latest Ranger feels like a smaller F-150, and that's a compliment. With up to 7,500 pounds of towing capacity, it handles most boat, camping, and utility trailers with ease. What gives the Ranger an edge for beginners is its suite of advanced safety features that forgive rookie mistakes. Features like lane keeping assist and automatic emergency braking provide a safety net while you're getting comfortable with truck dimensions. Owners consistently praise its comfortable ride and F-150-inspired technology. The interior feels modern and intuitive, with controls placed where you expect them. The Ranger's balance of capability, comfort, and technology makes it an excellent stepping stone into truck ownership. Number 2. Hyundai Santa Cruz. Rising to number 2, the Hyundai Santa Cruz offers a stylish alternative at $28,750. While technically a compact truck, it doesn't skimp on capability with its ability to tow up to 5,000 pounds. Enough for most travel trailers and boats. The Santa Cruz shines with its turbocharged engine option, pumping out 281 horsepower, giving it surprising performance for its size. At 22 miles per gallon combined, it's not as fuel efficient as our top pick, but it compensates with more power and upscale features. What makes the Santa Cruz perfect for beginners is how it feels more like a crossover than a truck. The transition from driving a car is nearly seamless, yet you gain the versatility of an open bed and legitimate towing power. For truck newbies who want style points with their utility, the Santa Cruz is tough to beat. Number 1. Ford Maverick. Taking the crown at number 1, the 2025 Ford Maverick stands as the ultimate beginner truck at around $27,000. The hybrid version achieves an astounding 40 miles per gallon city, efficiency that was unimaginable in the truck world just a few years ago. Some owners even report getting up to 55 miles per gallon in real-world driving. Despite its compact size, the Maverick hauls 1,500 pounds and tows up to 4,000 pounds, which handles moving apartments, carrying bikes, or pulling a small boat with ease. Car and Driver named it a 10 best truck, praising its combination of affordability and practicality. The Maverick's genius lies in understanding what most truck owners actually do with their vehicles. Studies show the average truck owner rarely uses maximum capacity. The Maverick provides what you actually need without the excess. It's easy to park, fuel efficient for daily driving, yet capable when called upon for weekend projects. Here's what makes it revolutionary. The Maverick can handle 95% of what most truck owners actually use their vehicles for, at half the cost of larger trucks. For beginners, this makes it the perfect entry point into truck ownership. Now for the trucks that will make you regret your decision within weeks. First, heavy-duty trucks like the F-250 or Silverado 2500. Unless you're towing 15,000 plus pounds regularly, these beasts will drain your wallet and test your patience. They start around $45,000, guzzle fuel, and handle like tanks. Leave these to the professionals. Second, luxury truck trims. The F-150 Platinum or Tacoma Limited might look tempting, but they add thousands in features you don't need as a beginner. Why spend $60,000 plus when a $35,000 truck does the same job? Save the premium features for your second truck when you know what you actually value. Most dangerous are older used trucks with known problems. The 2004 to 2011 Chevy Colorado suffered transmission and engine issues that could leave you stranded. The 2008 Dodge Ram 1500 had electrical and radiator problems that cost owners thousands. A bargain price up front often means expensive repairs down the road. Whatever truck you choose, these tips will save you money and headaches. Stick with base or mid-level trims like XL, XLT, or SR5. They offer the best value without overwhelming you with features. Prioritize trucks with modern safety technology like automatic emergency braking and blind spot monitoring. These features are especially valuable when you're learning to handle a larger vehicle. Check consumer reports before buying any used truck. Their reliability ratings can reveal problems that salespeople won't mention. Factor in fuel economy for your actual use case. A 40 miles per gallon Maverick hybrid saves thousands yearly compared to a 20 miles per gallon full-size truck if your driving is mostly city commuting. Consider insurance costs before signing. Smaller trucks typically cost less to insure, saving you hundreds annually. The perfect beginner truck balances capability, ease of use, and affordability. While the Ford Maverick tops our list for new trucks, I know many of you are looking for affordable used options that won't break down on you. If you're working with a tighter budget, check out my video 20 cheap used trucks that are actually reliable right here. I reveal the hidden gems of the used market, trucks under $15,000 that mechanics swear by. Don't make a costly mistake on your first truck purchase. Watch that video next and discover reliable used options that won't drain your wallet.